Hi, I'm Ben from Maybe Autism. It's my superpower.
Hey Ben, we're going to answer a question today, okay? The question is from a Sally Zepp, and she said, "Hi Ben, do you know why my son likes to smell my hair? Sometimes he will wake up in the middle of the night just to smell my hair and then go back to sleep." Well, that sounds familiar, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you like to smell Mom's hair?
Yeah.
Why do you smell my hair?
Helps me relax.
Does. I know that you do like to smell my hair, especially when I've just washed it and put some product in it. You just enjoy that smell. So what do you think's happening with this boy? Why he wakes up to smell his mom's hair?
To calm down and go back to sleep.
I agree. I think he's calming himself down, fall back to sleep. Good, buddy. So the children with autism tend to have a very heightened sense of what?
Smell.
Smell. Yes, smell. A heightened sense of smell. And you are very particular with things that you like to smell also. And smell does often calm you down, smelling certain things. So what are some things Mommy uses to help you with your sense of smell and to help you feel relaxed?
Put on essential oils such as germ fighter and lavender.
Can you show your essential oils? Yeah. What's your favorite one?
Germ fighter.
Where do you put it? Show people.
On my wrists.
Yeah, did you put it on already today?
Uh-huh.
And what does it smell like?
A Christmas tree and other Christmas decorations.
It smells like Christmas. Germ fighter, I think, has some clove and tea tree oil in it, I think. And what is the other one you like to use?
Lavender.
Yeah, lavender oil. So what do you think is something maybe this boy who's waking up to smell his mom's hair, what he can maybe use in his room?
Essential oils.
Yeah, maybe they could put an oil diffuser in the room and diffuse some oils like lavender, which is very calming, or even maybe a drop of lavender on the pillow. And maybe smelling that lavender will help him not want to get up and smell his mom's hair because he's smelling something calming and soothing. What else do we use that you like to smell to calm yourself down? What are those?
Spencils.
Smensels. Yes, we use those during your schoolwork, right?
Yeah.
What are they?
Smensels. These are chocolate and marshmallow.
Those are your two favorite ones?
Uh-huh.
Pencils that smell good. So if you're stressed out doing your work, you sniff your pencils, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how does it make you feel?
Good. And
Good.
relaxed.
And relaxed, yeah. So kids with autism who have a heightened sense of smell, I think trying some oil diffusers or rubbing some essential oils on is a great tool. And also if they're stressed out doing their homework, we like to use the Smensels. We take a rest and smell our pencils. We even diffuse oils during schoolwork. Orange is a good one. Orange kind of helps stimulate and keeps you focused. And orange is really good to diffuse during homework and schoolwork time. So if you don't have a diffuser, maybe that's something you want to think about. Or even the roll-on oils. They sell all different types of things like that on Amazon. And Smensels also. Which one's your favorite? Tell the kids.
Chocolate's my favorite.
So if you're a kid that likes Smensels, maybe tell Ben what your favorite. You want to hear what their favorite? What are some of the other ones?
Marshmallow, cherry, grape, cupcake.
Yeah, all good things to smell. So maybe this will help you guys out a little bit if your child is using their sense of smell to help try to calm them down. Maybe they'll stop smelling your hair and start smelling the oils or the Smensels. All right, thanks so much. What do you think, Ben?
Hopefully it's good. Hopefully
Okay.
you enjoy. Goodbye. And don't forget, autism is a superpower.
Sure is. Have a good day.